In front of me is Xiaomi 15 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this gear at the top right corner first to adjust all of those options however you want to. Then go back and click on this button at the bottom to start recording. Now you can either click on AI voice recognition or close it by clicking on X at the top right corner in the middle. To delete your recording right away, tap on this pin on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right one. And to end it and save it on the middle one. To play it, you need to click on your recording here and tap on Allow. To manage it, use all of those options and click on those three dots at the top right corner to access all of those as well. You can also go back and click on Rename here. To name it, choose OK to save its name and operate all of those options from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!